Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's What I Eat in a Day from deep in my third trimester. I am 37 weeks, so this could pretty much happen at any point now. Now, if you like these videos, just so you guys know, I have a series on my channel called Day in My Life, very original, I know, and pretty much every single one of those videos is full of more food. So if you're looking for food inspiration, be sure to check out my Day in My Life videos. With all of that blabbering being said, let's hop right in. All right, people, so I started off my day with one of my staple breakfasts. I don't know how many times I've shown you videos of me eating avocado toast, but my avocado toast today was on sourdough bread, which is my favorite bread, and I buttered it up with some Kerrygold butter, added some avocado, obviously, some goat cheese, red chili pepper flakes, salt and pepper, and then on the side, I randomly was craving a banana, so I took the banana, chopped it up, and added some hemp seeds on top. I wish I had added like 3 times as many hemp seeds because I love hemp seeds, and they just add that little nutritional kick of protein and other goodness. So anyways, that was my breakfast. For lunch, I decided to have a salad. I had a box of these organic greens that I had picked up from Aldi, and so I decided to use that as the base for my salad. And then I chopped up some heirloom cherry tomatoes that I had picked up from Costco. Actually, I think I picked these up in my last Day in My Life video when we went to Costco. I've been filming a lot lately, guys, so every video really builds on the next video. Then I took some of this red beet and cabbage kraut organic stuff. And then I took a couple scoops, added that to my salad. These are basically just pickled veggies, by the way, so there's some good probiotics in it. And I try to get probiotics in like my actual food when I can. And this brand, by the way, is so yummy. So then I took out of the fridge, Dan had made this, I think it's called brisket, where he smoked it for like a day. And since then, we've actually divvied up this brisket into freezer bags because yes, we have been freezer cooking, and I will be putting out the video of all of our freezer cooking prep for when the baby gets here. But anyways, he had just made this. So I took a couple of scoops, added that to the salad, and then I chopped up some jalapeno because you guys know I'm obsessed with jalapeno, and pregnancy heartburn has been one of the symptoms that I actually haven't been having, so I've still been able to enjoy jalapeno. Then I took this aged cheddar cheese from the brand Cabot that I also picked up on our recent trip to Costco. I sprinkled that on top, and then I took a jar that I had of my homemade balsamic vinaigrette. I've made it so many times. I feel dumb even repeating the ingredients, kind of like the avocado toast, but basically it's olive oil, balsamic vinegar, lemon juice, fresh garlic. I think I added some oregano vitality essential oil into here as well, salt, pepper, some Dijon mustard, and then I just whisk everything together and it stays in the fridge for about a week or 2. Once I had all the dressing on that I wanted, I tossed the salad. And then I decided to pull out these garlic and herb almonds from Costco as well on the side. And I also had some blueberries and a clementine. And then I took my Care of prenatal vitamins. I actually take vitamins twice a day. You'll see later. And speaking of later, so like I mentioned, we've been filming these freezer meals. And one of the meals that we were making this night that you will see in that video was our favorite Cajun chicken pasta. That's basically this recipe that I found from the Pioneer Woman. And so we were cooking a really large batch, as you can see, and we ended up bagging and freezing like 90% of it, but then we kept some of it out to make the pasta for ourselves for dinner that night. This Cajun chicken pasta is absolutely incredible. I love it. It freezes well, as you will see in her freezer video. And yeah. Then I went upstairs to our indoor tower garden and pulled off a bunch of fresh parsley, chopped that up, threw that on top, and holy Toledo, dinner was so good. It was so good and so easy. I know we're gonna be so happy to have this postpartum. Now this was round 2 of vitamins, but just know like half of these are actually like food supplements, like dried berries, dried greens, all of that. Now, side note, I forgot to show you one of my current favorite desserts. I had 2 dates stuffed with peanut butter, sea salt, hemp seeds, and dark chocolate chips. And oh my gosh, it's so good. It is as satisfying as having like a peanut butter cup, except you're getting all the nutrients from the dates and the protein from the peanut butter. And I love these. I actually need to go make another batch when I'm done recording this voiceover. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We are officially on baby countdown. I have no idea when he's going to enter the world, but I have been filming a ton. So I'm going to try to get all of these videos that I've been filming up before he gets here. I'm assuming I have a while, but you really don't know in these things. But yeah, if you're still listening to my voice, by the way, don't forget to check my info box for the giveaway I'm doing in today's video. I like to do them pretty much every video, but I don't really like advertise that I'm doing a giveaway because I just want to be able to say thank you to those of you that care enough to stay to the end, hear the announcement, or check my info box. So yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you for all of your love and support and prayers during this home stretch and the entire time for that matter. I will hopefully see you back here soon. This was a really long outro. Okay, bye guys.